Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1062 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out an Oryza Beauty lipstick. So what I have here is their Velvet Ribbon semi-matte lipstick that I got in the shade number 7 Opus. I've tried out Oryza eye makeup before, but I have not tried out their lipsticks yet, so I'm really excited. This was sent to me for free in PR. I like to give that disclaimer when I try out products that I got in PR, but this is not a sponsored video, and of course, you know my reviews are always honest. But this does have a retail value of $22.50. It says that the Velvet Ribbon lipstick range has a weightless velvet and satin finish, which sounds beautiful. It has enhancing ingredients like the Oryza sativa rice germ oil combined with shea butter, pomegranate fruit extract, vitamin E. So it's supposed to be nourishing and hydrating and pigmented color. All of that sounds like exactly what I look for in my lipsticks. So let's check it out. I like the white packaging. I feel like that's different. It's gonna make it stand out in my collection. And so here is how the shade looks. I just have to go ahead and do a swatch. Oh yeah, super creamy and pigmented. And it's a really pretty berry tone. Looks like it's got a little bit of like red to it. I'm really excited to see how this is going to look on me. Wow, I really like the texture of this because it doesn't drag on the lips. It does have like a nice slick, easy to apply feel. Gosh, and I have one thin layer on right now, and it is so full pigment. Like this is opaque, dark color. I don't even think I'm gonna apply anymore because I don't love a super dark lipstick on me, so I wanna kind of keep it as light as this shade can get. And I like how it looks just with this very thin one layer. I love that it's even, opaque color, even on top of my dry lips. It's not clinging to the dry patches. And I do love the finish of it. It's almost got a tiny bit of sheen, so it's not completely matte. So it goes along with that semi-matte finish. I do feel like it is a beautiful winter shade that would look good on all skin tones, and I love how comfortable it is. I can tell that it has those nourishing ingredients because my lips are completely hydrated now. It's a nice smooth finish. So all around, I think this is a beautiful lipstick. I am curious how the transfer is. Yeah, that's a lot of transfer, and that's what I was expecting because this lipstick type of formula usually always has that much transfer. But since it's so pigmented, crazy. Even with just that one thin layer and that much transfer, it doesn't even look like it faded. So as far as this stick lipstick formula goes, this is actually pretty long lasting, and I love to see that because I love a long lasting lip formula. So I have to say, I am impressed with the Oryza Beauty Velvet Ribbon lipstick. Great formula, and I am picky about my lipstick formulas. So if you've tried this, I definitely want to know your thoughts on it, and let me know what your favorite lipstick formulas are, because I love trying out lipstick, and if it's a formula that you love, then that's definitely something I want to try out. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.